Are you ready to step into the future of music? Today we are looking into something that feels like it's straight out of sci-fi movie. This is Gamsing air drum. For years, being a drummer meant dealing with a heavy hardware, expensive studio fees, and constant struggle of finding a place to practice without waking up the entire neighborhood. But those days are over. Imagine having a full professional drum kit that fits right into your backpack. No cables, no shells, no skins. Just pure rhythm and light. As you can see, these sticks aren't just plastic. They are packed with high-tech motion sensors that track your every move in 3D space. Let's dive into the unboxing experience. The packaging itself is sleek and tells you exactly what you're getting: a portable, empowering everyone to play music experience. Inside, the layout is very organized. We have two main drumsticks, they feel balanced and comfortable in the hand. Then we have dedicated foot sensors, which are crucial for the realistic experience. But the real star is the compact Bluetooth speaker. It acts as a brain of operation. It is small, but don't let the size fool you. The sound projection is crisp and punchy. You also get the user manual with the QR codes for quick app downloads and calibration videos, which I highly recommend checking out before your first session. Now, how does this actually work? It uses a 9-axis interior navigation technology. Each stick and foot sensor track its orientation and velocity. To get started, you simply power them on and pair with them speaker. A quick tip for the best experience: calibration is key. You hold the sticks straight in front of you. Press the power button and the system sets your center point. From there, it calculates where your snare, toms, and cymbals are located based on the angle of your strike. The foot sensors are equally impressive. They clip securely onto your shoes, turning your foot taps into bass drum kicks or hi-hat controls. It's an immersive, full-body coordination workout. Let's talk about the most important thing: the sound. In the world of electronic instruments, latency, the delay between hitting and hearing, is the enemy. Gamsing has virtually eliminated this. The response is almost instantaneous. You can toggle through various drum kits directly on the speaker. Whether you want a deep, resonant acoustic kit for rock, a tight electronic kit for hip-hop, or bright for jazz setup, it's all there. The LED lights at the tip aren't just for show either. They change colors to give you visual feedback on which part of the kit you're hitting. Notice how the green light indicates the snare and toms, while the blue and purple tones represent your cymbals and hi-hats. If you're a beginner, do not worry. This isn't just a toy. It's a learning tool. By connecting the Gamsing air drum to their mobile app, you unlock a world of interactive practice. It features a Guitar Hero style rhythm game where you hit the notes as they fall on the screen. It's an incredibly fun way to play muscle memory and timing. For advanced drummers, it's a perfect warm-up tool. You can practice complex rudiments of paradise anywhere, in a park, on a train, or in a hotel room. And if you don't need to keep them 100% private, there is a 3mm headphone jack. Just plug in and you're in your own private concert hall. Wrapping up, the Gamsing air drum is a game changer for accessibility in music. It breaks down the barrier of cost, space, and noise. Is it a replacement for a 500,000 acoustic kit? Maybe not for a stadium tour, but for practicing and content creation and just having a pure fun with music, it's unbeatable in a box. You also get the high-quality USB-C charging cables, a carrying pouch, and wrist straps to ensure those sticks stay in your hand during intense solos. If you always wanted to learn the drumstick but didn't have the space, this is your sign to start. Thanks for joining me on this rhythmic journey. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and music reviews. Now let's close with the more freestyle. Bye bye.